On behalf of everyone here at Control+M Solutions, we're incredibly honored to accept the Rockwell Partner Ecosystem Award for our annual Plex-a-Palooza event. At Control+M Solutions, we implement and optimize the Plex ERP and MES software, bringing along best practices and operational excellence to our industry-agnostic clients. Plex-a-Palooza is a 3-day event focused on Plex education. We start the planning process annually by sending out a survey, asking users in the Plex community what they want to learn about. And then we sprinkle in some additional courses like operational excellence training, organizational change management, and effective business communications. We had nearly 350 attendees and we expect over 500 this year. We delivered 71 Plex technical training sessions over 3 days last year. This year we'll have over 115 planned. With the support of both Rockwell and the partner community, I believe this event will continue to thrive and grow. This award is meaningful to us because it represents the power of collaboration. Plex-a-Palooza was created with a simple but ambitious goal: to bring together partners and community members in one space to share knowledge, strengthen relationships, and elevate the entire Plex community. What makes Plex-a-Palooza special isn't just the session or the agenda, it's the people. The partners who openly share their expertise, the community members who engage with curiosity and openness, and the collective commitment to making the entire network stronger. This award is truly a reflection of that shared effort. We're proud to be a part of a partner ecosystem that values connection over competition and collaboration over silos. We're excited to continue building, connecting, and growing together and look forward to seeing you at the next Plex-a-Palooza in June.